Welcome back to another update on the Shelby Z Daytona. I'm going to be changing out the front motor mount while it's up in the air still. We got a PolyBushing one. We'll be replacing it. We soaked it in PV Blaster. Try to get this out. Here we have the front motor mount from PolyBushings. Be installing this today. While it's up in the air, I'm going to be starting to bend these clips that hold the motor mount in. The ones at the bottom on both sides. Take a pry bar and pry the clips open and use some pliers, channel locks. Alright, so we undid these 4 15s and also the 15 in the center. It's holding up the mount so we can move it out the way or take it off. And now we got access to the center mount. Now we'll be able to install this. This is the easiest way to do it while it's up in the air. But we got access to the mount. Got to finish undoing those tabs, pull that one out, and put the new one in. Alright, so we bent the tabs in on this side, one side. We're going to lube it up a little bit. Bend those 2 tabs. And we're going to push it out to the passenger side because it has less tabs. We're going to take a hammer. Big boy hammer. And knock it out. Alright, so we got the old worn out mount, front engine mount out, and we'll be sliding in the new one. This new one's pretty simple. We've got 2 pieces. One goes on this side and the other one goes on the other side. It's gonna take the pressure to force it in there. Need both hands, but we're gonna slide those in, get them in there. All right, so we got the PolyBushing installed on the mount itself. And then we put the bracket back over, the sport bracket back over it. Got it on the 2 studs at the bottom. Fed the bolt through. Put the lock nusher and the lock nut and the washer on the other side. We're going to tighten all this down. Alright, so we got the PolyBushings motor mount installed. All tightened down. This is the front motor mount. One of the best things you can do to an old car, 32-year-old car, going on 33 years old, is replace all the old bushings and motor mounts.